So this is the pound yen analysis for Friday the 23rd of February. Now let's have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had seen prices sell off from in around the 58 or so. We've had a pullback, further sell side continuation. We've not held on to the 49.78. And we've also not held on to the 49.10. What we did see was further sell side momentum bring us down pretty close towards this 48.46. We traded as low as I think it's 48.51 or something. Just bear with me a second here. We traded as low as 48.54. So 8 pips above the very next major level here, marked out in red. We've had a brief move upwards, back above the 49.10. We weren't able to hold it, and what we did see was a rejection. We saw prices pull back, and now we're seeing further buy side momentum come back into the market. So we do appear to have put in a low and potentially a higher low, so we do look poised for further upside continuation. So if we do get an upside continuation, we're looking to see our prices react towards the 200 period moving average, currently sitting around the 49.50. Successful break from which we're looking for price head up towards our 49.78. And if we do break above the 49.78, ultimately we are looking for price head up towards that 150.56. If, however, we do see the breakdown from where we are at present at the 49.10, we're looking for price head down towards that for the 48.46 for a true test of that level. Successful break from which we were looking for prices to head down towards that 148 level where we previously found support for seeing this buy side momentum over here to your left on the chart. And if we do break down below the 148, these levels will not come into focus, I wouldn't think. I don't think the market's volatile enough to bring them into focus, but the very next level beneath this 148 we are looking for is in around that 147.35. And with that said, that pretty much covers the hourly chart. So we'll just head over to the daily chart before wrapping up here on the pound yen. So we're over to the daily chart. Get scaling on here correct. And yep, as you can see, so we've had this move upwards, going into the period of consolidation break, upside continuation, brief breakdown, further upside continuation, formed a bit of a double, was it a double top there? Yeah, a bit of a double top in around the 56.12. And what we did see was further sell side momentum come back down into this market on the pound yen. So previously found support for an upside move. Now we do appear a lot more bearish on this daily chart here. So the previous day's candle is pretty bearish. We've got a very sizable candle after having this rejection here. It's not quite a pin bar, a bit of a doji, but we've got a pretty sizable candle. Bearish candle, so we do, and in light of the most recent trend being to the downside, possibly looking for a move down towards that 200 period daily moving average as well as the 47.35 if we don't see the follow through here on the pound yen. Overall though, we've got a trend to the upside on the pound yen. But more recently, we have seen a deeper retracement than we would ideally like. But it remains the case that the market is still bullish. So we'll see our price develop from here. But we are operating in shadow of this very bearish candle. So we could potentially see more sell side momentum come into this market. And then with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.